Hi everyone, thinking about wearing contact lenses? Whether you're new or just need a refresher, here are the must-know basics for safe and comfortable lens use. Stick around for tips that can save your eyes. There are 4 types of lenses: daily, monthly, yearly, and colored. First, let's talk about lens insertion. First, wash your hands. Then take the lens with your index finger. Make sure the lens is not inside out. Hold your upper eyelid with one hand and pull down your lower eyelid with the other hand. Look up and place the lens gently on the white part of the eye. Slowly blink. The lens will go to the correct place. Next, let's see lens removal. Wash your hands first. Look up. Pull down your lower eyelid. Gently pinch the lens using your thumb and index finger. Remove it carefully. Clean it with solution and store it properly. How are you going to store your lens? Always store your lenses in a clean lens case. Fill the case with fresh contact lens solution every time. Never reuse old solution. Let's get down to sterilization. Multipurpose solution is a special liquid used for cleaning, rinsing, disinfecting, and storing soft contact lenses. It is convenient because you can use one solution for many steps. Use only the recommended contact lens solution. Do not use tap water or saliva. After removing the lens, rub it gently with solution and rinse. Then place it in the case filled with fresh solution. And here are some lens care tips. Never sleep with lenses unless your doctor says it is okay. Do not swim or shower while wearing lenses. If your eyes are red, painful, or blurry, remove the lens and consult your eye doctor. Follow the schedule for replacing your lenses daily, monthly, or as advised. How to check if a contact lens is inside out. Place the lens on the tip of your finger like a bowl. Gently squeeze the sides together. If it bends like a taco, it's the correct way. If the edges flare outward, it's inside out. How to check if the lens is still in your eye? If you're not sure whether your lens is still in your eye, check your vision first. Blurry vision might mean the lens is still there. Look in a mirror with clean hands and gently pull your eyelids to check under them. Use lubricating eye drops and blink to help move the lens to the center. You can also gently massage your eyelid. Feel your eye carefully with a clean finger to see if the lens is there. Check your lens case. It may have already fallen out. If you're unsure or your eye feels irritated, visit your eye doctor. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who wears lenses, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye care tips. Stay safe and see clearly.